top reviewer. In this video, I listed top 5 best wire stripping peeling cutting machine. Please note that the price can be changed at any time.
Number 5.
0.18.0mm 2 automatic adjustable wire stripping peeling cutting machine SWT508C SWT508SD SWT508E cable cutter stripper 220 volts 110 V. Orders 61. Review 14. Rating 4.9. 37% off. Price $565.52. Parameter 1. Model SWT508C. 2. Voltage AC 110V 220V 50/60ths of a Hz. 3. Dimensions 390 by 350 by 255. 4. Display mode LCD display in Chinese and English interface. 5. Weight 26 kg. 6. Power 160 W. 7. Cutting length 19,999 mm. 8. Cutting tolerance 0.2 plus or minus 0.002 times mm. 9. Cutting tolerance correction 10. Stripping length head 0.35 mm, end 0.15 mm. 11. Intermediate stripping 11 place strip. 12. Wire cross section 0.1 to 2.5 mm 2. 13. Maximum diameter of tube 6 cents. 14. Suitable wire stripping silicon cable fiberglass wire. 15. Blade material tungsten steel. 16. Wire speed PCS H 3000 8000. 17. Drive 2 wheels drive. Check description below for product link.
Number 4.
Computer wire peeling striping cutting machine SWT508C for 0 to 2.5 mm 2. Orders 10. Review 2. Rating 5. 34% off. Price $438.24. Applications. Widely used in the electronics industry, the CTRs, electrical appliances, motor, lamps and lanterns, toys, and other various products of wire processing. Optimal stripped wire PVC, Teflon, glass wire, etc. Technical parameters. 1. The model SWT508C. 2. Power AC 110V 220 volts 50/60ths of a Hz. 3. Power 160 W. 4. Cutting length 19,999 mm. 5. Cutting tolerance 0.2 plus 0.002 by mm. 6. Cut off the error can be modified. 7. Stripping length thumb 0.35 wire ends 0.15 mm. 8. Middle strip cut 11 place strip. 9. Cutting wire core section 0.12.5 mm 2 was the 16 Aruban Florence AWG32 10. The biggest diameter ducts 6. 11. Optimal stripped wire PVC Teflon silica gel line. Glass fiber cables etc. 12. The blade material hard tungsten steel import by gang optional. 13. Peel linear velocity per hour L equals 100 mm 3000 8000 PCS H high yield. 14. Driving weight 2-wheel drive. 15. Envelope dimensions 390 x 350 x 255. 16. Weight 30 kg. 17. Showing the way Chinese and English LCD interface. 18. 12 months warranty.
Number 3.
SWT508 series automatic wire stripping and peeling machine SWT508C wire cutting crimping from 0.1 to 8 mm. Orders 6. Review 1. Rating 5. 9% off. Price $562.38. Origin mainland China. Type male to female. Certification CE none. Dimensions 390 by 350 by 255 mm. Model number SWT508E. Application electronic. Voltage AC 110V 220V 50/60ths of a Hz. Wire cross section 0.18 square millimeters. Wire speed PCS H 2000 5000. Power 300 W. Stripping length head 050 end 050 millimeters. Suitable wire stripping silicon cable fiberglass wire.
Number 2.
SWT508-NX2 Computer automatic wire strip peeling stripping cutting machine for 0.14.5 mm 2 with single or double wires. Orders 2. Review 2. Rating 5. 66% off. Price $671.84. 1. The model SWT508-NX2. 2. Power AC 220V 110V 50/60ths of a Hz. 3. Power 450 W. 4. Cutting length 1100 km. 5. Cutting tolerance 0.2 plus 0.002 by LM. 6. Cut off the error can be modified. 7. Stripping length front end 0.35 mm, rear end 0.20 mm. 8. Middle strip cut 13 places strip. 9. Cutting wire core section single wire 0.14.5 mm to double wires 0.12.5 mm to. 10. Max cut diameter 6 cents. 11. Optimal stripped wire PVC Teflon silica gel line. Glass fiber cables etc. 12. The blade material hard tungsten steel import by gang optional. 13. Peel linear velocity per hour L equals 100 mm 4000 pcs h high yield. 14. Driving way 4 wheels drive. 15. Envelope dimensions 537*507*410. 16. Weight 36 kg. 17. Showing the way Chinese and English LCD interface. 18. 12 months warranty. 19. Noise level.
Number 1.
SWT508-YHT3 wire peeling stripping cutting machine double round 2, 3/4 cause cable sheath stripper cutter for wire range 27 mm. Orders 4. Review. Rating 33% off. Price $13.90. Technical parameters. Model SWT508 YHT3. Dimensions 420 mm by 460 mm by 335 mm. Weight 38 kg. Power 300 W. Voltage supply 220 volts 110V 50/60ths of a Hz. Display mode. The operation interface in Chinese and English can be switched between each other. 4.3-inch touchscreen. Outer diameter of processed circular jacket 27 mm. The number of cores that can be processed 2 cores, 3 cores, 4 cores. Pressure 0.8 MPa. Pipe diameter 9 cents. Peeling accuracy plus 0.2 mm. Cut length 99,999 mm maximum. Exfoliation stripping length head 1120 mm, tail 150 mm. Material of blade 4 pieces are made of imported high-speed steel. The wire stripping speed 1000 pieces per hour, 200 mm length. Driving mode 4-wheel drive silent hybrid stepping motor. Check description below for product link. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.